up for? I've just heard something really exciting that Opera North are doing for Heritage Open Days. Tell me, what's going on? Well, as they have the Adventures of Pinocchio opening the week after, they're running a day of fun-filled adventures. There's puppet making. What, like me? Yes, and storytelling, musical games, chairs, bumps, statues, prizes, and a chance to sing. Wah! Wow, that sounded pretty good. Thanks. No, not you. The event. I know. Come along and see for yourself on Sunday, the 12th of September, between 10 AM and 4:30 PM. And the best bit is,